Hi everyone, how's it going? Today I want to share a really useful AI tool with you. I know many of you aren't big fans of AI, and that's completely understandable. But this one is genuinely helpful for developers and creators. For example, imagine you find an image you want to use in your game or 3D scene, but it's noisy or the resolution is so low that even third-party software can't improve it. That's where this tool comes in. The website Upscayl is a service that uses AI to upscale images, and honestly, it's really good. Before we go deep, just to clarify, this is not a sponsored video. Simply find this tool extremely helpful for my own projects, so I thought I would share it with you. I have prepared an example to show you. Here's an image that's really blurry with a resolution of just 256 by 171 pixels. That's extremely low quality. Now let's open Upscale and select the image. Next, you choose how much you want to upscale it up. Be careful, to the higher the scale, the longer it will take to process. For this demo, I will set it to 5 times bigger. Once you click upscale, that's it. Just look at the results, it's incredible. This tool can be a lifesaver for anyone in the middle of a project who needs to improve the quality of textures or sprites quickly. The difference is clear, it looks amazing. I really like this tool and I thought it would be helpful for you too. Also, I'm not 100% sure whether it's completely free or if there is a paid version, because I have been using it for a while now without paying anything. Either way, it's definitely worth checking out. I also have plenty of tutorials and tips for game developers, with more coming soon, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time.